It's not the ride, it's the rider.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Rock'n'Roll Rider. I'm back again with another vlog. Yes. No unnecessary bullshit this time. Directly introducing myself to you guys on the trails. We are we are attempting the Gangadhareshwara Gudi Betta after a couple of months actually.
Nan sumkuro maga Allah. Nan sumkuro maga Allah.
And we have a full like a roster this time. And we have Mr. Farhan on his Dominar attempting the off-road for the first time.
Later that same evening.
I think this would be the last trail ride I'll be doing on my current tire, the rear tire at least. Yesterday I've gone to get my air checked in the night. And the puncture shop guy was like, "Sir, why are you even riding using that tire?" So it's high time I at least have to listen to the tire guy now. This is the trail R. I've left Mr. Farhan with Mr. Rafi. Mr. Rafi is gonna babysit the Dominar today, I guess. Last time we came, they had actually leveled off the road a little bit, but now it is gone for a toss. All thanks to the rains.
2,000 years later.
नहीं अभी शुरू नहीं हुआ ये. हाँ?
Wait for it.
गिरी गाड़ी गिरी.
ನೀನು ಯಾವನೇ ನೀನು?
Oh. Aha. Expulse boy did it. Come on, Himalayan boy. Done.
Congratulations, brother.
Finally, somehow managed to do it. But descending down will be fun. Mr. Rafi is attempting the climb on the Himalayan. Whoa! Ho, ho.
Take it all the way up.
It's not about the ride, it's about the rider. Okay, we are on the Betta, but our final destination is not here. It's much beyond this. Check out this lake, dude. There were a lot of people on the trails, meaning there were a lot of we wish goodbye to Gangadhareshwara Gudi Betta. Can you see the lake? Our plan is to go to the lake. Let's see. Check out the goddamn landscape, dude. Ooh, this is only the beginning. This is not even the real descent. That was managed somehow. Oh, the real shiz starts from here. I have to plan this out. I can't just go. By the way, it was a fun experience teaching Farhan some good old off-road. But not bad. He fared comparatively very well today. So kudos to him. Who knows? He might sell his Dominar and buy an X-Pulse or something in a few days. Okay, we've already descended from the Gangadhareshwara temple. And now we are headed towards a 𝙃𝙪𝙣𝙩 lake which we saw on the top. Supposedly Mr. Rahul has found a way, it seems. Very important, I will keep talking about it again and again in my videos. Wherever you go, be respectful of the local crowd. It's very important. We are clearly the invaders, and they have a clear authority over this land than us. Uncle in the Maruti 800 is waving at me. Whom am I calling uncle, bro? I'm fucking already 32. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.